Hi equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video, and it is December 3rd, which means it is day number 3 of the unboxing or the door opening for the Effol Advent Calendar. So just like the other days, I have to search for day number 3. Oh, and it's down next to day number 1. I don't think I'm getting any better at opening these. Don't want to hurt it. And then tip it forward. Oh no! One of the days came out. I don't even know what day that is. We'll save that for later. Yeah. I didn't look and see what it was. Did you? All right, this is day number 3. I'm going to show you before I see what it is. What is it? What did we get? Ooh, this is Effol hand cream. And this has jojoba oil, which offers effective care for the whole day. Fastly, it moves in and cares for soft and smooth skin without being greasy, and it is dermatologist tested. So this is awesome. It even says on there, rider's hand cream, so I know it's for me and not for my horses. And it's sealed, so I need to open it. So far, this has been pretty awesome. 3 things. These are pretty cool. Like I said, things I know I'll use. Let's try this out right now. Ooh, it smells good too. Who couldn't use some lotion during the winter months? If you're in Australia or the Southern Hemisphere, you're in summer, but pretty much anybody can use lotion, right? And that's awesome. That feels really good on my hands. And you don't have to use very much because it looks like a little bit goes a long way. That's really nice, and I really like the way it smells. Again, this is the Effol Rider's Hand Cream. And it is a 3-ounce package. It is 75 milliliters or 3 ounces. So on day number 1, I thought this was 3 ounces. Nope, that's probably 2 ounces. Okay, so day number 1, we had the hoof ointment. Day number 2 was the root serum for regrowing hair. And day number 3 is the rider's hand cream, which is awesome. How cool is that? We have stuff for the horses so far and stuff for riders. So I can't wait to see what day number 4 holds behind window number 4. Ooh, tuck in window number 3. So you'll just have to come back tomorrow and see what's behind day number 4. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, so you can watch every one of my door opening videos for the Effol Advent Calendar for equestrians. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.